welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back to a super exciting video. Today I'm going to be talking all about my digital calendar and how I use it to plan and stay organized and basically just like plan out my entire life. I literally love my digital calendar so much. I started using it back in 2020 and I have never looked back or used a physical planner since, because this is just so much better for me personally. It's so much more efficient. You can change things around. Like a physical planner, once you write it down, it's like written down, but a digital calendar, they're just like little boxes that you can easily move and change. The technology allows you to set up like reoccurring events. Another thing I really love about it is that it syncs with my phone. So I use the Apple Calendar. I'm going to be getting into the different digital calendars that you can use. It's with me all the time. I just look at the calendar app on my phone. I can see exactly what I have going on that week. That is just a little bit about what I love about it. I'm finally going to share with you guys how I actually set it up, how I use it, how I time block, basically everything. Just I'm going to show you the whole entire thing. Let's just get into the video. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. I make a lot of productivity videos, fashion content, and lots of fun like vlogs and stuff. So definitely check out my channel if you are new here. It would mean a lot to me. And definitely thumbs up this video if you find it helpful and if you'd like more like calendar tech type videos on my channel. Comment below your best productivity or planning tip, what you like to use to plan out your life. Let's just get into the video. The first thing I wanted to briefly mention is the two different types of digital calendars. If you don't already have one set up, these are some different options. So the one I'm going to be showing you is the Apple Calendar. So this is literally just the calendar app on Apple devices. There's also the Google Calendar, which is great if you don't have Apple devices. I feel like more people like the Google Calendar than the Apple Calendar. I just started using the Apple one because I didn't even really look too much into it. And now I feel like I'm too far into it to like switch things up. I've never really used the Google Calendar, but from researching it and reading different articles comparing the two, it seems that the Google one is easier as far as like Gmail, like it will automatically add your invites. You'll see in this video what the Apple one looks like, but the colors are a little bit more transparent, whereas the Google ones, the colors are more opaque. So you can get more of like a color scheme going. You can actually type in these things called hex codes. That just makes it really simple to make an aesthetically pleasing calendar. I haven't even really gotten to the colors yet. I feel like the Google one might be slightly more aesthetically pleasing and it's easier to make like a good color palette, which I will be getting into. That's a little bit of the pros and cons of the Apple and Google one. Obviously the Google one you can use on all devices. You can definitely look into it, see which one you think is a better fit for yourself. I personally really like the Apple one. It's just the first one I thought to use, and it does sync well across all of my devices and it's very simple and easy to figure out. As far as like what I'm showing in this video, it would work for either one because they are so similar. I'm just gonna kind of show you the steps of setting it up and how I actually organize it. I think that's actually everything before I show you my calendar and get into it. Here is my calendar. I'm just screen recording it so you guys can see it. If you can tell, this is kind of like the end of January, beginning of February, because I haven't really put anything too specific in there and I don't want you guys to see all of my videos that I have planned. So as you can see, this is kind of what it looks like. I recently added emojis to kind of spice it up so it looks cute. So the first thing you'll see are all of these colorful boxes. That is the time blocking that I do. I have kind of each area of my life a different color. So filming is a different color, editing is a different color, like everything is kind of like a different color, so I can visually kind of see what I have planned for that day. So I can kind of see the first half of the day, the middle half of the day. I can kind of just look at a day, like Monday is purple, so I can see that I'm filming that day. Tuesday and Wednesday, it's green, so I'm editing. Thursday is kind of a mix of filming and editing. Friday is kind of a mix of filming and editing. Saturday is my weekly reset, which I will kind of get into. And Sunday is kind of like a mix. So pretty much every day is the same in a sense, like every week and every day is sort of the same. As you can see on the left, I have all of my different kind of like categories, all the different colors, all the different things that I have going on. So that is the first thing that you want to kind of like set up when you are making your digital calendar. And that is to kind of like set up all of your different categories. So I think they're called calendars in Apple Calendar, but in Google Calendar, I think they're called something else. So you just basically go here and you're gonna hit File, New Calendar, and then you can call it whatever. So let's just say plant care. I don't know, I just saw a plant out of the corner of my eye. We'll just call it plant care. So if you wanted like a whole specific time blocking category for that, and then you can make a color for it. As you can see, I just kind of do it like this, and I have some of my favorite kind of like saved colors there if I want to kind of pick one of those and make it a little darker, a little lighter. You can do it this way as well. That's kind of how you add one of those. So here are the categories that I have. I have deadline, video upload, no category, because I have some things that just don't really fit into a category. Birthday, content creation, computer work, editing. Editing and computer work are kind of the same thing. YouTube admin, which is kind of like emails, planning, random things. I used to have this called Going Somewhere, but I thought that name was kind of sad because it was kind of like, oh, I'm actually leaving my house. So I changed it to Out of Office because I thought that sounded a little bit more professional. Basically, just if I'm actually going somewhere, have plans to go shopping, if I am going to get my nails done, anything where I'm actually leaving my apartment, Out of Office. If I have a dentist appointment, I don't know, I guess I have appointment as kind of like a separate color. Reminders, I have a lot of random reminders on here. Watering my plants, paying off my credit card. I have like when my rent is due as it's set up as a reminder. Those are actually really helpful. Personal, going and getting a coffee, eating. I added gym. I don't really go to the gym, but that's a New Year's resolution, so I blocked out time for that. Morning routine, just, I don't know, anything that's kind of like just personal. Social, I added that as a category, but I guess that could kind of fit into going somewhere. I might delete that one. Instagram upload, I want to try to block out time. I am really good about uploading consistently on YouTube. Not so good about uploading as consistently on TikTok or Instagram, so I want to try to schedule out those uploads because I'll actually stick to them if I schedule them. So I added that one. Cleaning, home, TV, anyways, you get the gist. You can see them on here. Setting up your category, so I feel like that kind of looks different for everybody, especially if you're in school. You could even make one for each class, or you could do one for like homework, in person, online, extracurricular, that kind of thing. And then assigning each of them a color and maybe picking colors that kind of aesthetically go together. So my calendar used to be like yellow, pink, blue, just kind of like random primary colors. I recently tried to do them more like aesthetic colors. So once you kind of get your categories set up, which is kind of the most important part, on the top part here, I have anything that's kind of like for the whole day. So if you see Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, it just says video. That's usually where I will put the video that I plan to upload that day. So I might put like calendar video or clothing haul, winter outfits video. So that way I can kind of know I'm uploading this video on Monday, and then as I'm planning out my week, I can know, okay, I need to film it on Wednesday, I need to edit it on Thursday, I need to finish it up Friday morning so it is ready to go on Monday. And then Wednesday, I'm posting the clothing haul, so I need to film it on Monday, I need to edit it on Tuesday, I need to finish it up on Wednesday, or we'll finish it, like get it all edited. You get what I'm saying. So I like to have the videos I'm planning to upload kind of there at the top so I can kind of just see that. I also have any deadlines, so if I'm working with any brands, I put the deadlines there at the top as well. So you can see Wednesday it says Orate, which is a jewelry company that I work with. That is kind of like around when I think that video will be due to be uploaded. But once I get the actual official deadline, I'll put it there in green up at the top. For example, it might look like due, I might put it like there, like that. So I can kind of just see, okay, like I need to get it uploaded on that day. And I usually have to send it in a couple days before it goes up. Anyways, I like to kind of have stuff up at the top. I usually put people's like birthdays up at the top, and then I just kind of have my daily tasks there below. So anything that's kind of like for the day, I put at the top. I like to set up reoccurring events. So as you can see, this is all kind of like reoccurring. This is stuff that's every single day, every single week. It's just already set up. So my morning routine, I have from 7 to 7:30 every day. I have my morning routine already scheduled out. The gym, I just added this in for the new year. So I want to try to go to the gym. I want to do the 12-3:30. I've heard really good things about that. If I don't have it scheduled out, I'm not going to do it. So I added that in there from 7:30 to 8. Breakfast, get ready. I just scheduled that out for every single day, and I actually only scheduled out for the weekdays because I feel like on the weekends I'm probably not gonna have as strict of a schedule. Just plan to start work after that. Put Monday, film video, and I just went ahead and scheduled that for every day. I usually have a clothing haul, an outfits video, some type of video that's gonna be pretty long to film. So I just went ahead and scheduled out a whole day of filming. Tuesday and Wednesday work / edit, and then Thursday kind of film and edit. It actually says Instagram photos here because I already have that pre-scheduled for every other week to take Instagram pictures for a few hours. I do like to just kind of go through each week and then type out the specific video. So like I said, if I was doing a clothing haul, I might go in there and type in film, let's just say Zara clothing haul. And then I might put that in there like this so I can just know exactly what I'm filming. And then film Zara try on clips, just say like that was only gonna take that much time. Then I might be like, what other video am I filming this week? Okay, well I could film favorites video. Then I could kind of like look at it and know exactly what I'm gonna film. Then I might go on this day and be like, edit Zara. And then I'd probably just do that whole video that day. So I don't know if that makes sense. So I just would set up any recurring events, and then each week I kind of just like reassess exactly what videos I want to be doing to just kind of like stay on a schedule, make sure I'm getting everything done on time. Saturday is a little bit different. So Saturday I have my weekly reset kind of all scheduled out. I just posted my weekly reset routine, so I will link it here if you guys want to watch the video and actually see what I'm doing for the weekly reset. So it's like the same kind of morning routine that I have on the weekdays pretty much. I have cleaned my apartment, so on Saturdays I like to do a whole entire weekly reset. I like to clean my apartment, just kind of like dust, sweep, redo my fake tan. Like right now my fake tan looks so bad. Just kind of all that stuff. So I like to do all of that on Saturday. So I have that scheduled out, wash my makeup brushes, water my plants, back up my computer. So I kind of just have those kind of also on there. And yeah, and then I just have some time personal / chill. I have dinner and relax like every single night. Sundays, I have my, I don't know, I don't really have the morning routine on there, I guess. And I have church, which I've been watching online just because of the COVID numbers. I also put weekly reset meal plan and then grocery shop, because I feel like that's just like an easy thing to do on Sundays. And then I also put weekly reset plan because I actually really like planning out my calendar. Just kind of get that out of the way, do that Sunday. I could do it on Saturday as well. So yeah, you can kind of see it's like repeating. So that is pretty much everything. I also like to look at the month and kind of schedule everything out this way. So this is when I will plan out my content for the month. So I actually just asked on Instagram what videos you guys would like to see. I kind of already have some ideas, like kind of like my usual type videos I'll go ahead and schedule out. And then sometimes I'll have like videos of, like for example, like this, something I already want to do. So I'll put those on there, and then I kind of will fill in the blanks of some things maybe that you guys requested on Instagram or something. You can kind of see some things that I already have on here. I will just kind of put those in here and kind of plan out the month. And then based off that, when I'm scrolling each week, I can just figure out like when I need to film and when I need to edit, kind of plan out my week based off of that. So when I'm planning out the month, this is kind of like what it will look like. Say I'll put in clothing haul, and then I might say like closet clean out. For Valentine's Day, I might be like, okay, well, like what's a fun video I could do, like kind of Valentine's Day themed, like Valentine's video, room tour, calendar video. So once I kind of get the whole month kind of filled in, then I can kind of look at my weekly view, kind of just know like what I need to work on that week. I need to film a closet clean out on Monday. I need to edit the closet clean out on Tuesday. I love planning it out for the month. I love planning out for the week. You can also look at it for the day as well. One last thing, I still do like to make daily to-do lists, like physical to-do lists. Like I'll just take a little piece of paper, and based off of this, I will make a little to-do list. Like for example, if I was looking at this Monday, I would say like go to the gym, get ready, film Zara clothing haul, eat lunch, film Zara try on clothing clips. So I would write that on my to-do list, kind of random things. So I would make out like a to-do list for the day as well, and then kind of just check that off as I go throughout the day. It's nice because I can wake up and look at this and know exactly what I need to do that day in order to kind of stay on track. And then you have random things like pay off credit card, so that's on there, and then you know you don't like forget things like that. I think that is pretty much everything. That is how I stay organized and how I set up my digital calendar. I really hope this was helpful. I really hope that this was easy to understand and informational. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if this was helpful, if you liked it. And if you learned something, definitely comment below what you use to kind of stay organized and plan. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.